In this module, we will review how to configure Enable N-Central using the Monitoring Setup Wizard. The Monitoring Setup Wizard is a guide to configure N-Central discovery options, service templates, dashboards, notifications, and rules. Each step can be configured separately, but the Monitoring Setup Wizard condenses the steps into a single guide for a faster implementation of N-Central. Before devices can be imported into N-Central, a probe must be deployed for asset discovery. The Discovery Options step includes sections to auto-import devices and assign services to them. Enable N-Central services monitor customer devices, generate email alerts and PSA tickets, and allow technicians to view the status of devices. Specific MAC addresses can be excluded from discovery, professional or essential licenses allocated to devices, and devices tagged to stay visible if they move to a different site. Selections also include checkboxes to automatically propagate configuration to future devices. Service templates group and configure multiple services on devices. The templates save time by providing a quick way to apply standard monitoring and data analysis across customer devices. Dashboards are a visual presentation of the overall status of a group of devices. Identify failures or issues and access specific devices and services to monitor their status with dashboards. N-Central includes default dashboards grouped by device class and enabled features. Public dashboards added by account users can also be selected. The Notifications step includes N-Central default and user-created notification profiles and triggers. Notification profiles detail which users receive alerts and when the alerts are sent. Notification triggers specify which services, devices, and status changes generate alerts. The final step includes applying rules to network devices. Rules group devices and apply settings to initiate tasks and automate management. N-Central includes default rules for common tasks. Rules can be configured to specific needs,